So guys, just imagine that my screen is white. So for the first method on your keyboard, you want to click on Control, Shift, Windows key, and B at the same time. It's going to refresh your graphics card driver. So again, Control, Shift, Windows key, and B all at the same time on your keyboard. Your screen should now flash just like that, and then see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to click on Control, Shift, and Escape at the same time. Control, Shift, Escape, which will now pull up the Task Manager. Now once we're here, you want to sort by name, which should now be showing you your applications that are currently open right now. If you see any applications here that you don't recognize, or that are taking up a lot of CPU or memory usage, then you want to close it. To do that, just click on it, and then click on End Task, which will then close it. See if that works. Another thing you could do is if you see Windows Explorer, you want to click on it, and then click on Restart Task. Your screen is going to go black, and then it should return again. See if that works. For the next method, on the left hand side, you want to select Startup Apps. In my case, Microsoft Edge has been enabled, which means that it starts automatically when my computer turns on. I don't want it to do this, so I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to disable it. You want to disable all the applications that you don't want to start automatically when your computer turns on. Next, you want to click on Control, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. Control, Alt, Delete. And now this will come up in the bottom right. You want to click on the power button and then click on Restart. It's then going to restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.